During the initial shutdown, the gym in Ontario lost a lot of business. Members were slow to trickle back through the doors. Then, indoor gyms were told by Governor Kate Brown they needed to close again.
In November, they came down with the other shutdown, and we decided at that point we were just going to stay open.
Owner Mike Brownfield says he had to dip into his savings to keep the gym afloat. And although he didn't want to defy the government, he believed closing would have meant never opening back up again.
The thought of not being able to keep this place open, that's heartbreaking.
Give me $10.50 for you.
Restaurants have reverted back to carry-out only, with the option of creating outdoor dining during the winter.
I actually approached the city council about a month ago and asked them if they could support us opening back up.
The city council purchased outdoor heaters and canopies, spending $12,000 for 6 local restaurants, including the Plaza Inn.
My dream was to own a restaurant. I bought this just a year ago from my parents, and they operated it 23 years prior to me purchasing it from them.
The government allows one canopy wall to ensure a draft, but the restaurant's owner, who you might recognize as the BSU caveman, told us on cold, windy days, people understandably don't want to eat outdoors. But he says overall, he appreciates the help of the community and the support of his customers.
It's been tough. We've been supported by the community. The community's been great. I figured my number that I needed to meet each day in order to at least break even, and we've obtained that number. I'm hopeful that we'll survive through this.
Meanwhile, the gym has 12,000 square feet to help people spread out, and they enforce COVID-19 protocols. I talked with Craig Geddes of the Malheur County Environmental Health Department, who told me enforcement of the gym opening back up goes to OSHA in Oregon. But according to Brownfield, OSHA's case log is so backed up, they told him penalties would only happen if they received a lot of complaints.
And so far we haven't. Everybody's been really happy about keeping the place open and stuff and coming in and work out. I really believe, this isn't anything about like defying orders or trying to break the law. It's more about like keeping a place open that people can come and relieve that stress, especially in times like this. I truly believe that the gym is a place that people need. Not just for physical health, but for mental health as well.
Steve Dent, Idaho News 6.